Step into the world of Discover Tech, where creativity knows no bounds. Our homemade wood splitters are truly one of a kind, blending passion and skill into machines that are as beautiful as they are functional. Intrigued? Come explore the craftsmanship that turns wood splitting into pure magic. Delivering 30 tons of splitting force, this turbo wood splitter efficiently processes logs with minimal effort. Its hydraulic system ensures rapid operation, making it highly suitable for demanding workloads. If you find this content valuable, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your support. This dual-function wood processing machine integrates a high-speed cone splitter and mechanical feed system, delivering rapid, efficient firewood production. It ensures effortless log processing, reducing time and energy consumption in high-volume operations. Okay, everyone, what's your guess? Will the tree hold firm, or will the truck come out on top in this showdown? Remarkably, a water-powered sawmill in Norway has maintained continuous operation since the late 16th century. Beyond serving as an active production facility, it functions as an educational site, preserving traditional sawmilling skills for future generations. A significant testament to living industrial heritage. This machine represents a significant advancement in wood processing technology. Its capacity to handle large volumes of material rapidly enhances productivity and optimizes resource use. Operators should exercise caution and prioritize hand safety when utilizing such high-powered equipment. Utilizing intense hydraulic force, this high-capacity splitter processes logs rapidly, converting raw timber into uniform firewood cuts within seconds. Its combination of precision, speed, and robust power significantly enhances operational efficiency.
Всем всех благ.
This cost-effective log cutting machine demonstrates that operational efficiency can be achieved without significant investment. It offers practical functionality and ease of use, making it a viable addition to any wood processing setup. Would you integrate this solution into your operations? The DAH system operates with remarkable efficiency, functioning continuously to facilitate land clearing processes. Its broad compatibility with various excavators and carriers makes it a transformative solution for forestry applications. These DIY log splitters demonstrate impressive ingenuity, effectively transforming a backyard into a small-scale lumber operation. However, it's crucial to secure the splitting axe to prevent rotational hazards, and incorporating motor reversal significantly enhances operational safety. The 90 mm drill cone wood splitter provides efficient log processing by securing and splitting timber with minimal effort. Driven by a high-torque motor, it eliminates manual strain, offering smooth and effective firewood production. This advanced woodworking machine significantly enhances lumber processing with exceptional precision, power, and operational efficiency. Its large steel saw blade efficiently cuts entire stacks of timber, transforming raw, uneven planks into consistently uniform boards within seconds. Such precision engineering exemplifies high-level craftsmanship. For efficient land clearing, consider this robust whole tree chipping solution. Arborman deploys the Vermeer BC 2100 XL, efficiently fed by an excavator, to convert entire pine trees into uniform wood chips suitable for various applications. What, in your opinion, is the optimal use for this volume of wood chips? Remarkably, an old railroad track has become the foundation for a highly innovative wood splitter. This homemade apparatus incorporates wooden wheels mounted on a railroad track axle, driven in reverse by a small handcart motor to efficiently split timber. It's a simple yet functional engineering solution. The horizontal craft crane demonstrates remarkable efficiency in firewood production, utilizing a robust hydraulic system to process substantial timber. Its precise slicing and splitting capabilities significantly increase productivity, eliminating the need for labor-intensive manual work. The Bobcat upside-down TM log splitter demonstrates impressive hydraulic performance, efficiently splitting large logs when mounted on a skid steer. It significantly reduces manual labor and processing time. Incorporating a rotating head could further enhance its versatility and operational flexibility. Tree removal during forest thinning serves to optimize ecosystem health by reducing competition for sunlight and resources. The Albach chipper efficiently processes large trunks up to 23 inches in diameter, contributing to effective forest management. Selective clearing promotes the growth and resilience of the remaining stand. first instance I observed a wood splitter integrated with a truck axle was truly impressive. Witnessing it process large logs highlighted how this adaptation transforms a basic tool into a high-performance machine. Notably, the conical design significantly enhances wood splitting efficiency. The 8000 series firewood processor exemplifies advanced automation, enabling effortless firewood production at the push of a button. Engineered by a manufacturer renowned for decades of innovation, it delivers high performance and durability, efficiently converting large logs into premium firewood with minimal manual intervention. Proficiency is an essential foundation, but it's insufficient on its own. Unforeseen obstacles can arise and undermine success, regardless of one's level of expertise. If this video amazed you, leave a 1 in the comments. Your encouragement keeps our creativity burning bright. Engineered for continuous high-volume output, the Cord King M1820 utilizes a robust 115 horsepower engine to rapidly process logs. Its design prioritizes efficiency and consistent performance, positioning it as a potential benchmark in firewood processing machinery. This excavator-mounted stump grinder combines a direct drive transmission for maximum torque with durable tungsten cutting teeth, enabling efficient removal of large stumps. Its swing mechanism enhances maneuverability, ensuring thorough coverage and high productivity during stump elimination operations. Featuring a 3 kilowatt motor and a Befair 200 gearbox with a 1 to 48 gear reduction, this machine delivers exceptional torque and control. When integrated with a motor pulley drive system, it achieves remarkable precision and power, ideal for processing the hardest wood materials. Capable of processing rough pine with efficiency comparable to modern machinery, it stands as a testament to durable and intelligent design. Observing its operation underscores the enduring value of traditional craftsmanship. Should such historic equipment be preserved as functional heritage or replaced by contemporary alternatives? There's often a missed opportunity in adopting proactive strategies for managing green spaces. Early intervention and proper tree care could have presented a significantly better alternative. What a display of raw power. This mobile firewood processor wields a 42-inch blade, effortlessly slicing through logs and dramatically speeding up firewood production. It's a real game changer for anyone in the firewood business. A hydraulic wood splitter driven by a tractor offers an efficient solution for heavy-duty wood processing. However, operating costs can become significant due to high diesel consumption. Nonetheless, this homemade system is highly effective for managing large volumes of timber. The Etchelbuck Viber 84, an Austrian-engineered diesel machine featuring a hydraulic system that manages log feeding and chip discharge with high efficiency. Notably, a 2014 model integrated into a man truck chassis is currently listed in Lithuania for approximately $200,000.